iPhone 3G combines three products into one small, lightweight device. It's a great mobile phone, a widescreen iPod, and a breakthrough internet communications device. At the heart of iPhone 3G is an operating system that's years ahead of other mobile devices. It includes a multi-touch user interface that lets you easily control everything with just the touch of a finger. On the left side of iPhone, you'll find a volume up and down button and a silent ringer switch. On the top is the sleep-wake button and the headset jack. On the bottom is the iPod connector, a speaker, and the mic. To unlock iPhone, press the sleep-wake button, then drag the slider to the right. The slider prevents iPhone from being accidentally turned on while in your pocket. This is iPhone's home screen. From here, you can begin using the amazing built-in applications. You can lock your iPhone by pressing the sleep-wake button. iPhone will still receive calls, and you can listen to music, adjust the volume, and use the stereo headset, but nothing will happen if you touch the screen. To completely power off iPhone, press and hold the sleep-wake button for a few seconds. Then drag the red slider to confirm. To make a phone call, start by tapping on the phone button. There are 5 buttons along the bottom of the screen so that you can quickly access favorites, recents, your contacts, a numeric keypad, and visual voicemail. You can easily scroll through all of your contacts by flicking up or down, or you can drag your finger along the alphabet on the right to quickly jump to a particular letter. Tapping the status bar will always scroll you back to the top of the list. If you have a lot of contacts in your address book, you can also type the person's name in the search field, and a list of matching names will appear. And if you're using iPhone with Microsoft Exchange, you can even look up contacts within your company's global address list. To call Emily, I'd tap her name, then simply tap on a number to make the call. It's as easy as that. Anytime you're on a call, you can tap mute to mute your line, tap speaker to use the speakerphone, tap the hold button to put the call on hold, or tap keypad to bring up the numeric keypad. You can also create a simple conference call by tapping Add Call, or access information in your address book by tapping Contacts. While on a call, you can also press the Home button at any time to access other iPhone applications. With a 3G or Wi-Fi connection, you can continue your conversation while simultaneously syncing email, surfing the web, or using most any other feature. To return to the call, tap here. When you're done with the call, simply tap End Call. Favorites is a great way to speed dial someone with one tap. To add John Appleseed to my favorites list, I tap the plus button, then his name. You can also edit your favorites list by tapping here. For example, to reorder my list, I touch to the right of a name and drag it to the position I want. And if I want to delete a name from the list, I tap the red circle next to the name, then tap Remove. Recents gives you a list of all the dialed, received, and missed calls. Missed calls are displayed in red, and tapping on the Missed button shows a list of just the missed calls. To return a call, just tap on the name. Tap on the blue arrow to see all of the contact information for that person. To access visual voicemail, tap the voicemail button. The blue dot lets you know which ones haven't been listened to. You can listen to any voicemail in any order just by tapping on it.
Hi, Bob. It's Anna here from marketing. Can you give me a call when you get out of your meeting? I have a couple new ideas about our brochure.
To repeat a section, you can easily scroll back and play it again.
I have a couple new ideas about.
To return a call from a voicemail, tap the callback button. To use the iPod features, just tap on the iPod button. Just like in the phone application, there are 5 buttons along the bottom. To see your music sorted by artist, tap on the Artist button. Then scroll to find a favorite artist. Choose an album, then a song. To see the album's complete track list, tap here. Then tap on any song to switch the track that's playing. CoverFlow lets you enjoy your entire music library using album cover art. To use CoverFlow, All you have to do is rotate your iPhone 90 degrees. Just flick your finger left and right to find the album you want, tap on it, then tap on the song you want to listen to. Now let's take a look at video. Tap the Videos button. Here you can see a list of all the video content available on your iPhone. To watch a movie, just tap on it. Movies and video play in landscape, so you want to rotate your iPhone. You can double tap to see the movie in full widescreen theatrical aspect ratio. If you want to zoom back into full screen, double tap again. Tap once on the display to bring up the on-screen controls. Tap again to put them away. To browse and shop on the iTunes Wi-Fi Music Store, just tap the iTunes button. You can find exactly what you're looking for with a quick search of the iTunes Wi-Fi Music Store. Tap the search button, then type an artist's name. Select the artist you're looking for from the search results. To listen to a 30-second preview of a song, just tap it. To stop the playback, just tap here. When you find something you like, tap here, then tap Buy Now to download. Remember, any music purchased from the iTunes Wi-Fi Music Store will be uploaded to your computer next time you sync. The stereo headset that comes with iPhone features a microphone with an integrated button that allows you to answer and end calls easily. It can also be used to control audio and video playback. While using the iPod features, for example, a single click pauses or resumes playback, and a double click advances one track in a playlist. If a call comes in while you're listening to music, a single click on the headphone button will answer the call and fade the music. When you're done with the call, click once more to hang up. The music will fade back in right where you left off. To see photos on iPhone, start by tapping Photos. Here you see all of your photo albums, as well as the pictures you've taken with the camera. Let's take a look at a set of pictures from a recent vacation. Tap on any thumbnail to see the picture full screen. Then flick left or right to scroll to the next image. When you come to a picture that's in landscape, simply rotate iPhone and the image fills up the display. To see all the detail in this image, you can zoom in by pinching out and move the image around by dragging. Zooming back out is just a double tap away. You can see all of the pictures you've taken with your iPhone by looking in the camera roll. Here's a great picture of my friend Chris. To make it his picture in my address book so it appears every time he calls, I simply tap this icon. I'll select Chris's name from my address book, tap Set Photo, and I'm done. From the home screen, tap here to launch the Safari web browser. To surf to a website using your bookmarks, tap here, then tap on the name of the website. I can scroll through the entire web page from top to bottom just by flicking and dragging. To zoom in, simply double tap. Safari enlarges the section you've chosen and fits it to the screen. To pan around, just drag. And to zoom back out, just double tap again. Searching the web on iPhone is easy. To begin a web search, tap here. Then tap Google. You can view a web page in either portrait or landscape mode. Simply rotate iPhone 90 degrees. To open an additional web page, tap here. Then tap New Page.